Gold has started the week on a bearish note again and is now trading at 1996. We discussed in our weekly webinar yesterday that there is a potential for a downside today and we might see little bearishness in metals. Now, what to expect, how far it can go, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session was that as well. Looking at the hourly charts after the drop, this was the retracement and now it is again started to trade bearish. If you look at the candle sizes here and here you can see increasing and it is still on the bearish note. Increasing body size suggests that there is bearishness. If you look at the hourly charts, this candle was a swing one and this is again looking downwards. We may potentially see 19 below 1994 levels. We can look forward to 1991 89 zone as the first support levels and then 84 85 levels to be seen. Yes, once it stays below 89.91, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail today. Now, if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Stochastic has come to oversold levels. This calls for a little pullback. And another observation is on hourly charts. See, it was trading with extreme divergence. Again, now it is started to diverge, which can potentially bring a little more downside. But now also you should note that once it was bullish, it scaled towards plus 15 levels and right now it is bearish and it can scale further downside, but it is certainly it has seen a good momentum. So I will potentially wait for it to break below 1994 and then 89.91 zone in order to confirm the bearishness here. RSI is oversold here, which may call for a little pullback. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, the moving averages have crossed over here. This is a 20 and 100 crossover. Now this is a 50 and 100 crossover, certainly a bearish sign, and it is continuing to diverge. And the important part is the divergence of the price from the moving average. So what will happen? It will try to wait for the moving average to climb up, move towards the moving average. That is one potential observation which we can have. Also, the next observation here is, see, it is getting the support from 95-94 zone, very strong support, forming the double bottom. And if it breaks beyond 2010 levels, certainly you can say that it is bound to retrace. How far we can look forward to? We can look forward to 1822 as the first target, that is 2018-2022 zone as the first target. Only reversal confirmation is gold is if you see it is staying beyond 2035-2040 levels. Stochastic looking down here. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. It has come to double bottom levels. This is important to watch out. It has come to double bottom levels. A potential conversion here and crossover may call for the reversal in gold prices. RSI oversold here. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, the drop, the retracement, the drop here. Just watch out for the double bottom levels here. We will wait for 1994 to be breached on the downside, and once the prices stays below 1994, you can say more bearishness is to be seen towards 89.91. You can sell there. At the same time, now look at the movement here, the drop, the retracement, and the second candle in making after the drop. So I will wait for this candle and the next candle. When it starts on the lower side, potentially we can see it trading with the bearish bias. So I will wait for the next candle and then look forward to which direction it takes. There is a possibility that once it stays below 89.91, we can in fact look at 84.85. Stochastic here at bottom, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI hitting the bottom here. On the 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, the 2050 crossover is here. It is trading with divergence. The prices are little divergent from the moving average, but look at the movement. It has consolidated enough here before giving this breakout, first breakout candle here and a sharper one. Now retracement, first again a reversal candle, and this candle will decide the direction of the gold for today. Now it has formed double bottom. Same observations are carried forward to this chart as well from the hourly, 2-hour and 3-hour charts. Only thing is, I will wait for it to break a little further towards 1994, and below that certainly the bears will be taking over, and we may see couple or more and little more bearish candles here before it looks over to a reversal on the upside. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent, MACD is bearish, it is looking downwards, RSI is flat and at bottom. Coming to the daily chart, Now, before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and a strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28 batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Also, you can be part of my webinar series where we have started a weekly webinar. Every Sunday, we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Also, I give you a holistic picture. And yes, this package comes with a additional bonus of 2 live consultations with me. You can schedule your consultations and join the webinar series as well. Reach out to me for more details or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com for the details of the webinar series and the consultation pack. And yes, you can be also part of my signals channel here on Telegram. Now look at the daily charts here. Drop there, retracement, first bearish candle and a breakout candle after couple of retracement candles. This candle has started flat and on a bearish note here. It has started to move downwards. It has formed the double bottom here. That is where the observation is. It has formed the double bottom. I will wait for it to break below 1994 in order to confirm further bearish bias, and then it may continue to yield a bigger bearish candle towards first 89.91, and then in fact we can look forward to 84.85 as the next targets, below which more bearishness is going to prevail and gold may continue to trade on the downside towards 1978.80 level. Notice that after staying divergent for long, now the moving averages have started to converge, suggests that there could be slight bearishness before it looks forward to reversal. Also, if you notice the movement on the daily charts, rise, retracement, rise, it is still retracing, but it has come out of this channel. This was a bullish channel here. It has just come out of it. I will observe how it behaves at around 1980 zone. Below that, certainly in this week itself, more bearishness to be seen. But look at the stochastic. This has come to extreme oversold. Now see the rise there to extreme overbought levels and then the fall to the extreme oversold levels. Now this suggests that it is just come for or this is could be the retracement only before it looks over to the reversal here. Now look at MACD, and MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, it is looking downwards. I have shared several times earlier. Look at the twin peaks here. It is at the peak and it could cross over, which it did already last week, and now moving on the downside. It has a lot much potential on the downside before it looks over to an up move. RSI is looking down and trading bearish. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell gold today at 1994. Expect 89.91, 84.85 as the next support levels, and then 2078, 2080. Below 1978, 1980. Below that, certainly we are looking forward to 1972.5, 1963, and further bearishness in the coming sessions. Though I potentially look forward to a little retracement where the prices, if it stays above, now buying levels is critical. See, you can buy here at 2001, but remember, buying at 2001, greater resistance will be observed at first 2005, 2006 zone, then the next at 2008, 2010. Only 28, 2010, if it breaks today, you can say that the gold is reversing. You can say that the prices are turning bullish. Beyond 28, 2010 is where 2018, 2022 will be the next targets. But as long as 28, 2010, 2008, 2010 levels should be respected today, we have to be careful. If you are taking a buying entries at 2001, be very, very careful as long as 2008, 2010 levels are not breached. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Do visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. Do visit my free Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your training related queries, and you can also schedule a call with me for any consultation. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.